Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial. Go ahead and open the program. I'm going to be creating this part in millimeters. Let's give this a second to load. Okay, we're going to go to File, New, and create a new design. We're going to change this to the plan view, so go ahead and just click right there. And then we'll minimize up here. And then we're going to be doing the soap dish and the soap. So we'll go ahead and move that over. We're going to drag a picture in here. Just use this as reference. And then we're going to go ahead and scale this down. So just go ahead and click on the picture, hold down the shift key, and just kind of constrain it. And then we'll just throw this up here somewhere so it's not in the way. Okay, so now we're going to start off with our rectangle tool. And then we're going to go ahead and just create a rectangle. Actually, let's do this from center. So go ahead and get your rectangle tool again. Check this box here, define from center. And then we'll just go ahead and we're going to do this pretty big. I think 100, 110, and then we'll do 80 for the width. Or actually, let's make that a little thinner. Let's do 70 there, like this. Okay, so now we want to round the corners. So we'll go ahead and create rounded corners. And we'll just go ahead and do this 7 millimeters. And then we'll do all these the same. Okay, so we have that piece there. So now we're going to go ahead and go to let's move this, put that up there. Then we're going to go ahead and go to pull. Let's spin this a little bit. We're going to pull this up enough to add this depth to the soap dish. Maybe let's just do 30 millimeters. Okay. And now we're going to sink this part in a little bit. Let me just scale this up so you can see. Right in this area here, we're going to create. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and do our offset. Grab the offset. And we're going to do offset that. Let's do 7 millimeters for our offset. 7. Excuse me. 7. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and create the rounded corners on this offset here. Let's go ahead and change this to the flat view so we can go to the plan view so we can see the corner a little bit better. Okay, so go ahead and get the offset, or actually the create rounded corners. We'll do 7 just looks a little odd, so we'll go. We'll do 4. Let's just try 4. Okay, we're going to go 4 there, and let's do these on the bottom. 4. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and go to the 3D mode. Let's go ahead and spin this a little bit. We're going to sink this down into the material here. I think probably maybe sink this in 10. So let's undo that. Let's just type 10, or actually minus 10, sorry, minus 10. So we sink that in. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and shell this. So we're going to go ahead and shell, and then we're going to do like we're going to try a 2 millimeter shell, see how that works. We want this to be down here. Okay, so this is going to be our base for the soap dish. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and get pull. We're going to go ahead and fillet all this stuff here. We'll just go ahead and round this. Let's go ahead and do a round of 1.5 millimeters. And then we're going to do the same on all this inside stuff. Pull this way, type in 1.5, we got that. And then I want to do multiple click and do 1.5 fillet on this as well, on the inside. Okay, so now we have that. It's going to be our base. Okay, so now we're going to put our holes right here. So we'll go ahead and control minus. Let's go ahead and click on this face here and then do a plan view. We want to put some slots right there. So let's do control plus. And then we'll go ahead and grab that pan and then just kind of pan down. All right, so we're going to go ahead and let's put a line in the center here. We'll work from the center. And then, so we'll go ahead and just click and put a line right here. And then we'll offset from this over. Okay, so what I want to do is go ahead and get our circle. And then we just want to create a, we want this to be even. So let's go ahead and put a circle here in the middle of how big we want this to be. Let's just do 5, okay? So we're going to start here from the center so we can move this. So we're going to go ahead and go to move, grab that red, we're going to move it up an even amount. So we'll just do 19, okay? All right, so now we're going to go ahead and, actually let's undo that, undo. We're going to hold down the control key because I want to make a copy up here of this. So we're just going to go ahead and move that and then type in 19. Okay, and now we're going to click this one, hold down the control key, and move to the bottom. And then we'll type in 19. All right, so now we have these. Now we can get rid of that one in the middle. Just hit delete. Okay, now get your line tool. Just go ahead and go from the tangent point there on the sides. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get our trim away, which is this tool right here. And we'll just go ahead and trim these. Okay, now we have this piece here. So now we want to go ahead. We want 2 on the left-hand side and 2 on the right. So we'll go ahead and just select all of these. Actually, let's go to here. Let's go to our mode tool. We're going to select this. We're going to go to move. We're going to go to check create pattern. And then we're going to drag this over an even amount. I like to do an even amount, so we'll go 39. So we're going to go tab, type 39. Okay. Now we're going to click on this one and move. Actually, we want to put on the count. We want to put 3 in there. Actually, we want 4. Is it 4? Okay, we want 4 in there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to have a little bit more slots than theirs, but that's okay. And then we'll do the same on this. But we want to go right mouse click, and then we want to unpattern this. That's going to just give us these individual ones. So now we'll do the same thing here. Hold down control. We'll move this over. And I think we went 38, or was it 39? Let's try 39. I think it might have been 39. So let's undo that. Hold down the control key, move it over. Type in 39. Okay. Oh, actually, undo that. Undo. Hold down control. Move it over to 39. But we want to create a pattern. So click here, go to move, make sure that create pattern is checked. Hold down control, drag that out to tab 39. Sorry about that, it was missing those steps. And then type 4 in there. Okay, so now we have our little slots. Now we can pretty much get rid of that. I don't think we need that anymore. So now we're going to go ahead and spin this. And then let's go ahead and go to pull, select all of these. I put a little bit more slots than the photo had. And then we're going to go to cut, make sure that's picked, and then we're just going to drag through. Okay, so now we have this little soap dish. And the only other thing I want to do is go ahead and go to pull, multiple click there. I want to add a small fillet here so it's not a weak spot. We'll do 0.8. Okay, and then select off of that, and then we'll go ahead and spin this. And I want to do one here as well. Type 0.8. Okay. All right, so I'm going to have to finish up on this tutorial. They're doing roofing work, so it's going to start getting loud here pretty soon. Okay, so this is our soap dish. I'm not going to go ahead and do the soap. I was going to do the soap, but I can already hear them doing noise out there. So, okay, that's going to be our soap dish. Let's go ahead and go to view trimetric. Hopefully, actually, let's just do one more thing here. Let's go ahead and multiple click here, and then let's add fillets to these. 0.4, and then we're going to do 0.4 on all of these. Okay, just so it's a little smoother. 0.4, 0.4, and then the last one, 0.4. Okay, I think that's going to be good, and then we'll keep the bottom flat. We have 2 millimeter thickness, that's enough. Now you can go ahead and create this, print it, and then put your soap in there. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial on how to create a soap dish. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got some useful tips out of the video. And once again, thanks for watching.